Okay, here's a quick review on working with images, animated GIFs, and emojis. So it's super easy. You can insert emojis anywhere you like, including the subject line. So let's go ahead and copy some emojis right here. And it's as simple as pasting it into the subject line. I can also put them in the body of the email, and you can see they're showing up in real time. And then dropping in a picture is pretty simple. So here's your picture button right there. I have two options. I can upload a file from my computer, or I can paste in an image URL right there. So let's go grab the URL that you saw earlier. Go right there. And it's that simple, okay? And so here's some shortcuts if you want to resize them, 25%, 50, and 100. You can also drag from the lower right corner right here. And updates in real time. And then I can left align, right align, etc. Now you can also make these interactive buttons. So let's see, I've got nothing in here that I want to put for a review. So let's say we want to ask for a review, and we want to say, you know, click the button below for a review. So I simply just insert my product review request, insert into editor, and right now it says leave product review. I can delete that, and I can insert the same image, drop it down 25%. And that right there is an interactive button that'll take you directly to the product review page. And just a quick note on any of the links that you use, make sure they follow Amazon terms of service. Links could be stripped out by Amazon, so you need to use them at your own discretion. And that's it for working with images, GIFs, and emojis.